Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. Hanukkah starts this week, the Festival of Lights, celebrating the miracle of one day of oil lasting 8 days and 8 nights during a siege by the Philistines. This week's featured course is Publish or Perish. Raise your profile and your credibility. This course is designed for professionals who want to publish a book as a strategic way to showcase their expertise, expand their influence, and enhance their credibility in their field. Mary Baker, founder of Baker Tax and Accounting Services, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to learn more about her and her business. I invite you to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with KJ Blattenbauer about being pitch worthy and leveraging PR without breaking the bank. Last week, I spoke with Stacey Hylen about finding hidden profits. Check out the video highlights below using the top 3 video link. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Katie Nelson about Sales UpRising. Additional events this week. Tonight, I'll be attending Alexander Sky Group's Do Good Business holiday event at Dutch's Restaurant in Newark, New Jersey. There's also an entrepreneur and small business networking event at Fitzgerald's in Glen Ridge on Wednesday evening. Then on Saturday, we're all invited to celebrate at NJ PAC's Kwanzaa Family Festival and Marketplace in Newark, New Jersey. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. I look forward to helping you make 2025 your best year ever. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.